In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Zoho Books account and migrate crucial financial data seamlessly. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant looking for a user-friendly accounting platform, Zoho Books offers a comprehensive suite of features to help streamline your accounting processes. Let's begin by signing up. To get started, head over to the Zoho Books website. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign Up button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to provide some essential details about your business. This includes your company name, email address, and a secure password. Take your time to ensure these details are accurate, as they're crucial for your account security and functionality. Next, let's configure your organization's information. This is where we make Zoho Books truly yours. Enter your company address to ensure all your documents are aligned with your physical location. Following that, choose the correct language, currency, and time zone used by your business. Finally, this is also the step where you set up your GST or other relevant tax information. This initial setup is paramount for accurate financial reporting, so make sure everything is up to date. Now that your basic setup is complete, it's time to bring your existing financial data into Zoho Books, starting with the trial balance report from your previous accounting system. This report will detail the balances of all your general ledger accounts and is essential for ensuring all your financial data transitions smoothly into the new system. Make sure your previous report is current and reflects the exact closing balances before you proceed. With your trial balance ready, navigate to the Settings section in Zoho Books and click on Opening Balances. This feature allows you to input your financial starting point into Zoho Books. In this section, you'll need to enter the migration date to ensure the balances reflect the correct starting point for your new system. Carefully input the debit and credit amounts for each account. This task requires precision, as it sets the tone for your accounting data's accuracy going forward. Additionally, Zoho Books simplifies the migration of accounts receivable and payables. From the same Opening Balances section, you can import these accounts. This step is important to ensure that all outstanding invoices and bills transition smoothly without disrupting your cash flow management. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your Zoho Books account and transferred your essential financial data. By following these steps, you'll have a reliable and organized accounting system ready to support your business needs. If you need further assistance or have any questions, Zoho Books offers a wealth of resources and support options.